Damped harmonic oscillations. Whenever a system is set into oscillation under no external force, no external influence, its amplitude of oscillation gradually becomes zero or decreases to zero. This is because the oscillating system is always subject to frictional forces arising from air resistance or from within the system itself, and the work done against these forces is dissipated out of the system as a heat. Therefore, the mechanical energy of the system decreases with time, and eventually the system comes to rest. Consider an example. If we displace a pendulum from its equilibrium position, it will oscillate with a decreasing amplitude and finally come to rest in the equilibrium position. So in the most cases, the energy lost from the oscillating system is each cycle is proportional to the total energy of the system. Each cycle is similar to the previous cycle but of a smaller amplitude. This happens when the frictional force is proportional to the velocity of the system. Now let's see how to see the derivation of equation for damped harmonic oscillator. So equation of damped harmonic oscillations. For it, consider a body of mass m oscillating under a force of a spring constant k. Let x be the displacement of the body from the equilibrium position at any instant. The instantaneous velocity is dx by dt. The forces acting on the body at this instant are restoring force, and it is proportional to the displacement but acting in the opposite direction, and it may be written as Fs equals to minus kx, and the second force acting on it is frictional or damping force, and it is proportional to the velocity but opposite to the direction of motion, and it can be also written as minus b dx by dt, where b is a positive constant. So total instantaneous force acting on the body is therefore F equals to minus kx minus b dx by dt equals to 1. Now from Newton's law we know that force is mass into acceleration, so F equals to m d2 x by dt square. This is question 2. So combining 1 and 2 we get m d2 x by dt square equals to minus kx minus b dx by dt, and arranging it we have d2 x by dt square plus b by m dx by dt plus k by m into x equals to 0. Again, if we take b by m, that is b by m as a minus 2r and k by m as a omega square, this equation will be d2x by dt square this is we have it to take as 2r. So d2x by dt square plus 2r dx by dt plus omega square x equals to 0. This is the equation of a damped harmonic oscillating particle. This is equation 3. This is we know that this is a homogeneous linear differential equation of the second order. Now we have to solve this. So in order to solve this equation, we may try the following solution, like taking x equals to c into e to the power alpha t. This is equation 4, where c is an arbitrary constant. This is arbitrary constant. So differentiating it, we get that is dx by dt equals to will be c into alpha into e to the power alpha t, and again differentiating, that is d2x by dt square will be equal to the c into alpha square e to the power alpha t. We have again differentiated it to get its solution. Now we will use this value in the above equation to solve it.